What's going on, guys? I just want to upload a second video on my channel that I rarely use of how to get rid of this freaking glitch in Hogwarts Legacy. So a lot of people have been running into this glitch. I even tweeted to Twitter. I tweeted out to Warner Brothers and Hogwarts Legacy that this right here, the summoning match, like it just gets stuck and it's super irritating. So watch when I go over to the character here. I'm gonna run. So this is where the Summoning Court Match 2 is. And then you come onto the pillar, and you can't even talk to her. I'm like, dude, what? Seriously, what is going on? And then you try to exit, and then this happens. And it says you have to try again or abandon the quest or exit the main menu. But you're like stuck in this quest. But I'm going to show you how to fix that. So keep in mind, this is only on PlayStation 5. I don't know about the Xbox Series X or PC, but this is how you get out of it. So again, you're on the platform and then it does this again. You're like, are you serious? So all you got to do is hit abandon. You're going to hit abandon quest and then you're going to hit X and then you're going to hit the plus button.
There you are.
And then that'll get you out of the quest. So as you can see, this is no longer selected now. And then if you hit go back out,
News of Marmaduke's crest.
and you can now even talk to the NPC. So you can see that logo above her is available. So that glitch was really annoying me, but I figured out how to fix it. Hopefully Hogwarts and Warner Bros. Can fix that. But anyway, hope that helped.